Just you and I. Tell me now, talk it out. Hit it like I didn't notice, no. I think you should know, you don't have to stay. Even if you go, I'll be okay. We can take it slow till there's nothing left to say. Even if you go, we'll find a way. Find a way. I think you should know, you don't have to stay. Even if you go, I'll be okay. We can take it slow till there's nothing left to say. Even if you go, we'll find a way. Find a way.
Fourth take. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the video. It wasn't a vlog at all. Honestly, when I was in San Jose, I really didn't have the time to vlog what was happening. We were just constantly on the move, constantly shooting, and yeah, didn't have the time to vlog. And also, sorry about the late release. I was in Europe for a while, traveling around. I was in France, England, Scotland. I guess I was mainly in the UK, but Europe nonetheless. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and see you guys next time.